Nobody wants to be in an article negatively, so not all press is good press. Hi, I'm Patrick McKinney. I'm the head of security at Invisible Technologies. And coming into Invisible, privacy and data security was very manual. So we were looking at tooling to identify sensitive data and how we can automate remediations and privacy controls across the board. And so our data stays in our environment while it's being scanned and categorized and labeled. And Lightbeam has a very easy UX, UI. And deploying Lightbeam in Google Cloud was super simple. It took less than an hour to get it all set up. And then we were scanning within 2 hours of deployments. And unstructured data is one of those things in the DSPM space. It's not easy to get right all the time, with accuracy, and the accuracy post-scan, post-labeling was dead on. They started showing us where our at-risk data was. We could start getting some of those wins around. The ROI came very quickly at a reasonable price. DSAR requests that would come to me through forwarded emails, and having Lightbeam and creating a centralized point of intake for those DSARs, and it took down the level of effort by about 80–90% for us. Data security at Invisible is around protecting IP. As we're using AI, we're using it responsibly and making sure that data that doesn't need to go into the AI models is in fact not trained on and doesn't go into those models. And really just using this as the single pane of glass and the first lens of our look into our data as a whole. So it's gonna be great.